Using Samsung Wallet without a bank account is a convenient and secure way to make transactions and store your cards. To start, ensure your device is compatible with Samsung Wallet and has the latest software update. First, open the Samsung Wallet app on your device and tap on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have one, you can create it. Once signed in, you will be asked to set up a PIN or use your biometric data for security purposes. Next, you can add your credit or debit cards to Samsung Wallet. Since you don't have a bank account, you can use a prepaid card or a gift card. To add a card, tap on the Add Card button and follow the prompts to enter your card details. You may be required to verify your card through a text message or email. After adding your card, you can use Samsung Wallet to make transactions. To do this, open the app and select the card you want to use. Hold your device near the payment terminal and authenticate the transaction using your PIN or biometric data. In addition to making transactions, Samsung Wallet also allows you to store your loyalty cards, membership cards, and even your COVID vaccine passport. To add these cards, tap on the Add Card button and select the type of card you want to add. Follow the prompts to enter the required information and your card will be added to Samsung Wallet. To ensure the security of your transactions, always keep your device and Samsung Wallet app up to date. Also, use a strong PIN or biometric data to authenticate your transactions. If you lose your device, you can remotely lock or erase your Samsung Wallet to prevent unauthorized access. In conclusion, using Samsung Wallet without a bank account is easy and convenient. By following these steps, you can add your cards, make transactions, and store your loyalty and membership cards. Remember to always keep your device and app up to date and use strong security measures to protect your transactions.